Hello, my name is Tanya Jha and I work on Windows Servicing and Delivery team at Microsoft. Welcome to the Windows 11 release notes for April 2025. Let's dive into this month's update for Windows 11 version 24H2, also referred to as the Windows 11 2024 update. We start with a few improvements that everyone will see after installing the update. If you noticed an issue affecting the HDR content playback on Dolby Vision capable displays, that issue has been resolved. We fixed an issue with certain third-party apps, rendering the graphics settings page unresponsive. Critical PowerShell modules required for device configuration are now run under Windows Defender application control policies, helping ensure that only approved and trusted apps are allowed to run on your device. For the IT pros out there, Windows Labs settings are now preserved after an in-place upgrade. And we addressed an issue impacting credential roaming that prevented certificates and keys from being roamed into Active Directory and made available on users' machines. Now, let's look at highlights that are rolling out gradually and might not yet be available on your device. The gamepad keyboard layout is now available for the touch keyboard in Windows 11, in addition to button accelerators, like using the X button for backspace. The keys have been vertically aligned to improve controller navigation patterns. And we've added top cards to the About Your PC page in Settings to provide an easy way to view key details, including processor, RAM, storage, and GPU. There are also new features and improvements for Copilot Plus PCs, including enhancements to Windows Search and voice access. To learn more about this month's changes, improvements, and new features, read the full release notes at aka.ms/Windows11/release notes/2504. Are there Windows 11 features that you'd like to know more about? Send us feedback in the section provided in this article, or leave us a comment at our Windows Community YouTube channel at aka.ms/Windows Community on YouTube. That's it for this month. Thanks for watching.